car wash.
At the car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah.
Does your car need a wash? Next time you wash your car, consider one of these options. Few people realize that washing cars in the driveway is one of the most environmentally unfriendly chores around. Unlike household waste, which undergoes treatment in septic systems or water treatment plants, when you wash your car, soap, road grime, and oil wash directly into storm drains that lead right to Puget Sound. Car washes are the best method of getting your car clean because they conserve more water than washing your car at home. Water is mixed with air to create high pressure without high water volume. Car washes also recycle their rinse water and use biodegradable soap. A do-it-yourself car wash is the next best thing. If you must wash your car at home, park your car on the grass or gravel. Use biodegradable soap and follow the directions for its use.